question why them build a wall with greed and fear. Tell yourself freedom no live right here. But I man see through the smoke and glass. Every golden crown have a hidden cost. Babylon culture can't hold me soul. Babylon culture take me heart hold. Stand up son, stand up no. Take back the key and free yourself somehow. Babylon culture can't lock me mind. Babylon culture too hard to hide. Rise up sister, rise up strong. We were born to live, not suffer too long. Look on the youth them in a the lane, chasing a name but them carrying pain. Members say wealthy don't love me, loss and power without mercy is a heavy cross. When you feed your spirit, you walk more clean. When you know your value, your life gets seen. No need to beg on a broken throne. Divine light live in a flesh and bone. Babylon culture can't hold me soul. Babylon culture take me heart hold. Stand up son, stand up no. Take back the key and free yourself somehow. Babylon culture can't lock me mind. Babylon culture too hard to hide. Rise up sister, rise up strong. We were born to live, not suffer too long. Tell them say the river still run deep. Even in a drought it no hope to keep. One good seed can turn whole world green. One brave voice can split the machine. So if them pressure you, Jah not sleep. Make them scheme, make them talk, make them spin. Light in your chest will rise again. Babylon culture can't hold me soul. Take me heart hold. Stand up no. Take back the key and free yourself somehow. Babylon culture can't lock me mind. Truth too hard to hide. Rise up sister, rise up strong. We were born to live, not suffer too long. Yeah. Blessings fall like rain, yeah. Blessings fall like rain, yeah. From the sky to the pay, yeah. From the gutter to the lane, yeah. Still me call your name, yeah. Whole heap of pressure on my mind, but I dey so me find the sign. In the darkest time me shine, 'cause the struggle I teach on me kind. From a zinc roof house with the leak to a gold mine deep in a me speak. Them say poor man prayer 2 weeks, still a that keep food in our reach, yeah. Blessings fall like rain, wash when me doubt, me shame. Every drop a reminder same way. Jaja there always. Blessings fall like rain. Pan the gun tone, pan the cane, pan the sinner, pan the say. Love thicker than the pain. Them want tell me say me can't, but I dey so me heart get strong. Every little note turn sound. Every setback turn new song. Hey, life a rough road, dirty trail. Be a big stone, be a foot nail. But who a guide me through the air? Same one make the sun never fail, yeah. Me see bad mind hide in a smile. See friends sell soul fi profile. Me see king lose throne through pride. And a humble youth rise from the side. So me hold faith tight like me last. Me future no living on my past. Every scar a degree when me pass. Every tear a little holy bar. Blessings fall like rain, wash away me doubt, me shame. Every drop a reminder same way. Jaja they are always. Blessings fall like rain, on the ghetto, on the play, on the scene, on the set. Love thicker than the pain. When the night cold, who warm me soul? When me eye roll, who take control? When me near edge, you pull me back. See a man where I ride me track. So when things tough, me still give thanks. Even when my pocket pan flat, cause me heart full up like the church bench pack. Cause my blessings style, them can't subtract. Blessings fall like rain, wash away me doubt, me shame. Every drop a reminder same way. Jaja they are always. Blessings fall like rain, on the gun tone, on the cane, on the scene, on the set. Love thicker than the pain. Babylon chat all day, try cloud up the mind, but me stand on the corner with truth in my spine. Make them chase fancy things, me still see the light. Cause a root and the reason keeps me heart upright. When the road get rough and the people lose faith, me remember the elders say hold firm pon grace. No race for vanity, no bow for the hype. Just plant good seed and let love grow wild. Roots and reason, roots and reason. Hold on, hold on. I learn from a screen and a fear, but the wise man a whisper, listen me son come near. Every chain get weak when the heart get wise. Every lie can't live in a clean clear eye. So me give thanks daily, feed the breath in the chest, feed the bread on the table, feed the fight and the race. If you're lost in a darkness, let the drum line guide. Cause a steadfast spirit is a mountain inside. Roots and reason, roots and reason. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Roots and reason, roots and reason. like a journey wild and free, from mountains high to valleys low. Seeds of freedom everywhere we sow. Them try to steal our story, but we stand in our glory. Rasta everything, our ancient truth, from the elders' wisdom to the vibrant youth. Oh, no chain can hold, no mind can bind, just spirit in every soul you find. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Hey. From them hills to the sea, we carry ancient memory. Roots in the red earth, truth before vanity. Grandpa smoke the chalice slow, teach we how the wisdom grow. Plant it firm, watch it rise, in every youth I glow. Hear the drum, it call me name. See him fire different frame. Babylon can't lock the flame. Heritage remain, heritage remain. Rasta heritage, guide the road. Oh, Rasta heritage, light and load. Light and load, from the root we get the grade. From the truth we lift the head. Oh, Rasta heritage, yeah we stand. Iron heart and steady hand. To the trial and the bend, we now break, we rise again. Whoa, make them talk, we know who we be. Eyes open, heart keep free. No false crown for me, bro. Jah teach me, oh. Every lock tell a story, every step carry glory. Every child deserve the sun, every wound get healing done. Hear the drum, it call me name. See him fire different frame. Babylon can't lock the flame. Heritage remain, heritage remain. Rasta heritage, guide the road. Rasta heritage, light and load. Light and load, from the root we get the grade. From the truth we lift the head. Oh, Rasta heritage, yeah we stand. Iron heart and steady hand. Through the trial and the bend, we now break, we rise again. Oh, the night get long and cold. Oh, didn't believe. So we chant and we remember. Fire born to outlast them. Rasta heritage, guide the road. Guide the road. Guide the road. Rasta heritage, light the load. Light the load. Light the load. From the root we get the bread. From the truth we lift the head. Babylon chat all day, try cloud up the mind. But me stand pon the corner with truth in my spine. Make them chase fancy things, me still seek the light. Cause I root and the reason keeps me heart upright. When the road get rough and the people lose faith, me remember the elders say, well, firm and grace. No race for vanity, no bow for the hype. Just plant good seed and let love grow wild. Roots and reason. Roots and reason. Hold on, hold on. Roots and reason. Roots and reason. Roots and reason. Your life, me hold so strong. Hold on, hold on, hold on. See the youth, them a learn from a screen and a fear. But the wise man a whisper, listen, me son come near. Every chain get weak when the heart get wise. Every lie can live in a clean, clear eye. So me give thanks daily for the breath in me chest, for the bread on the table, for the fight and the rest. If you're lost in a darkness, let the drum line guide. Cause a steadfast spirit is a mountain inside. Roots and reason. Roots and reason. Hold on, hold on. Roots and reason. Roots and reason. Roots and reason. Your life, me was so strong. Hold on, hold on, hold on. From the mud come the flower. From the tear come the song. From the struggle come the wisdom. We were broken, now we strong. No man can sell me conscience. No storm can mash me prayer. Me walk with me head high. Cause the truth still there. Roots and reason. Roots and reason. Hold on, hold on. Roots and reason. Roots and reason. Roots and reason. Your light, me was so strong. Hold on, hold on, hold on. So if you're feeling low, remember this. Life now go easy, but it go right. Take one step, take one breath, and keep the fire bright. Roots and reason are the way we live, are the way we ride. Port Royal dust to the Blue Mountains high. Every little stone got a story in the sky. Make the morning come, hear the market a call. One annual shame, one annual gal. Babylon say move, but the people still stand. Bare feet on the road, seed time in the hand. Grandma talk truth by the lamp fire glow. Me son life a river and it learn to flow. So if you lose your way, look on the mango tree. Roots go deep, brother, roots make you free. No need for rush when the earth know your name. Every wound turn wisdom in a sun and rain. Echoes of Jamaica, echoes of Jamaica. Hear it in your heart, hear it in your heart. Echoes of Jamaica, echoes of Jamaica. Small fire, strong soul, never fall apart. Oh yeah, inna the yard where the red earth breathe. Children dream big with a torn up sleeve. Old man smile, say pain can't stay. Even stone gets smooth from the tide each day. We a walk through shadow, but we not born fi bend. Every sunrise mean a new chance again. If you can't see blessing, open your eye. Jah write lesson in a every goodbye. So keep your head up when the road get rough. Sufferation teach, but you can't own your stuff. Make the drum talk low, make the spirit rise. Truth stay humble, but it never disguise. Echoes of Jamaica, echoes of Jamaica. Hear it in your heart, hear it in your heart. Echoes of Jamaica, echoes of Jamaica. Small fire, strong soul, never fall apart. Oh yeah, one nation bruise, one nation blue. One little light in a dark room. If your hand shakes, still plant the seed. Love is the medicine the whole world need. No chain too heavy when faith get tall. No night too black for the faithful call. From Kingston drum to the inland breeze, we rise, we forgive, we live, we see. Echoes of Jamaica, echoes of Jamaica. Hear it in your heart, hear it in your heart. Echoes of Jamaica, echoes of Jamaica. Small fire, strong soul, never fall apart. Oh yeah, so carry the echo wherever you go. Let it remind you, you already grow. Jamaica in your breath, in your stride. Blessed are the humble who walk with